foil or aluminum foil, a cardboard, and a paper clip. First, put 2 strips of aluminum foil of 4 centimeters by 1 centimeter. Then, open the paper clip and change the shape of the hook. Put the hook in the middle of the cardboard. Put the 2 strips on the hook. Put the cardboard into the glass. And with the bottom here. She moved, but don't join.